Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TechMan. Today's video is on Carlington exclusive watch 8866. Here is the warranty card as you guys can see. Let's quickly check the watch. This is the bracelet of the watch. This watch comes with a butterfly clasp. Here is the dial. It comes with a waffle dial with a date window. This is the case. You can see the thickness of the case. My wrist is of 6.9 inch. Here is how the watch looks on my wrist. I think the watch looks a little bit big on my hand. This watch is good for people with big wrist, like 7 inch or more. This is the case back of the watch. It comes with a stainless steel back. Here is a side-by-side comparison of this watch with Carlington 8877. I think this watch is slightly bigger than this Carlington watch 8877. Both these watches are very beautiful. If you want to go, you can go with any of these watches. These are the features of the watch. These are the features listed on their website. And this is the lume test of the watch. I think it has a very good lume. Here are some pictures of the AP Royal lock. You guys can compare it with this Carlington watch. I think Carlington did a good job. The watch is pretty close by looks. Here is the price of the watch on Flipkart and the price on their official website. You guys can also get a 10% discount if you use code Carlington10. The watch also comes in 4 different colors. You can check on their official website or Flipkart. I think for 1799 rupees this watch is a good deal. The watch looks very premium, has a good dial and a good bracelet. I think for people who have big wrist, this watch is good for them. But also you can try this watch if you are interested. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.